Guys, welcome to Ganesha Coding Hub. So in this tutorial we're gonna learn about how to use super function, how to add properties into a child class, and how to add methods into a child class. So in the previous video we will talk about the parent class, the child class, how it inherits the property from parent class. So in this video we're gonna talk about how to use a super function. So first of all, let's take the example of super function, how to use it. So as you see, we have created a person named class. We have to define a init function, and we have passed the attributes fname and lem, and simply we have to also define a method name, that is print name, and we have to pass this self and print self.fname, self or dot lname. So we have created an x object. We have to call a function and pass the value John and Doe, and simply we have to call the object as a print name method. So again we have to create a class student, and it's inherit the property of person, that is parent class. So basically the student is a child class and the person is the parent class. So we have to define init uh, function fname lname and here. So superclass is nothing but it simply calls the properties of the parent class. Instead of using parent.init, we simply use super function init. So it simply inherit all the property of the parent class. So let's take a run. So as you see, John Doe. So John Doe is nothing but in class person. In it inherit the property of the class person. So with the use of super function, we can easily inherit the property of person class. So now if we want to add new properties, like if we want to add year, simply we have to pass then the year argument as a parameter, and we have to simply created self dot graduation year is equals to year. And after outside the class we have created x object, and in x object we have to pass the year as a arguments, and simply we have to print x dot graduation year. So let's check. As you see as you see on the output screen, we have 2019. We have successfully added the graduation year. So in this way we can add the properties, and after that we have to add a method. So we will simply how to use the super function is done, and how to add properties is also done. We have also done we have add a properties like graduation year, and the last one is we have to add method. So how to add methods? Okay. So add method called welcome to the student. So simply we have to add a method. Okay. So how to add a method? Like we have to create function, that is method welcome. So the name of function is welcome, which is called method, and it calling itself. Okay. And in this method we have to print welcome 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 and self dot first name, self dot last name, f name, comma, self dot l name, comma, to the class of to the class of to the class of comma, self dot graduation name, self dot graduation year. Okay. If you want to add a method in the child class with the same name as a function in the parent class, the inheritance of the parent method will be overridden. Okay, so let's run the code. Welcome. So we have to simply call x dot welcome. Okay, so as you see in the output, welcome Mike Olson to the class of 2019. So we have successfully added the method in a child class that is named student. So we can simply हम लोग इसी तरह से ऐड कर सकते हैं अपने स्टूडेंट में, चाइल्ड क्लास में. सो जैसा कि आप आउटपुट स्क्रीन में देख रहे हैं, वेलकम माइक ऑल्सन टू द क्लास ऑफ 2019. ओके फ्रेंड्स, so this way we can easily add the method. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like the video, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks.